Rain and snow developing though Saturday night into Sunday. Temperature wise, it's going to be about 30 degrees colder by Sunday versus the highs that we're going to see here today. And yeah, speaking of the mountain snow, a good 3 to potentially up to 9 inches of snow. Those higher totals are going to be above about 11,000 feet. I'll show you that here in just a minute. Right now we're at 76 downtown, 80 out at the airport. You can see some of those clouds that have been streaming in over Denver. Other areas seeing quite a bit more sunshine there at City Park, and it's a little warmer in those spots. Winds right now are calm. We're at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Take a look at the next 12 to 18 hours, though, and the change that we see will be, again, mid to upper 70s here for the next hour or so, and then another 10 degrees warmer between 4 and 5 o'clock. Still looking at some west-southwest winds here today. Warmer air funneling into the state. That all changes starting early tomorrow morning. Winds will shift out of the north. Cooler air will start to settle in. We're going to be in the 50s with dry conditions early tomorrow. So if your kids have any games tomorrow, practice, anything, any event you're heading to, maybe a walk early tomorrow morning, we're going to see nice dry conditions. It's really not until the afternoon, right around 4 to about 5 o'clock, that things are going to start to get maybe a little more hectic in the weather world. A little rain, a few thunderstorms popping up. Temperatures will get into the upper 60s and then really cool down from there. And most of the shower activity that we're going to see is going to be overnight, Saturday night into, it looks like, Sunday through midday. We'll drop down into the 50s by about 10 o'clock on Saturday night. And obviously you can't ignore the snow that's popping up there on Futurecast either with this next system. When you look at our alerts, at this point we're looking at a few winter weather advisories there in purple, so in through the eastern Sawatch Mountains, again up to about 9 inches of snow possible above 11,000 feet. That little pocket right there, that's there at Pikes Peak. So if you're heading down to Colorado Springs, it's going to be a very different scene on Pikes Peak by Sunday midday. So from 80s today to mid to upper 60s on Saturday. One concern will be the game tomorrow at Folsom Field. If you're heading up to Boulder for the Buffs game, expecting scattered storms and showers by about 5 to 6 o'clock, some low 60s at that point, and then low 50s, some cool and wet weather, unfortunately, for that game. Sunday, we're at 57. Most of our shower activity is going to be over the first half of the day on Sunday, and then things will gradually start to clear out. Mid 70s Monday. It looks beautiful. We'll see some sunshine. That'll be the first full day of fall, and then we have another chance for a few showers on Tuesday. Some cooler conditions at that point too. Things will then gradually warm up. Amy, we're back to near 80 by Thursday.